Hey guys, how you doing? I'm trying to play this interesting game. I don't know what they call it. But while I was growing up, I used to love this game. It just looks like one more thing you just keep doing. Running around, putting all these things, twisting, and it doesn't stop. It's a game I used to love. I haven't played it in a long while. I'm playing it right now. We have six pods or holes, left, right, one here, one on the other side, and just keep moving these balls around, dropping it until what you have in your hand stops and the next person takes over. 6 on each side. Alright, and that reminds me, today I'm going to talk about 6 things that can affect your ads and make Facebook block your ads, or make Facebook not approve your ads, or make Facebook not make sure your ad doesn't get to your audience. All right, so I'm going to talk about 6 things, 6 holes, 6 things. Okay, and I'll join you in a minute. All right. Okay guys, so as I was saying, my name is Anyanwu. They call me the social media oracle. I talk social media, I talk online marketing, I talk online businesses. I'm a business and healthcare social media strategist. I have a lot of, a very good background in healthcare social media strategy, so I can help a lot of those healthcare companies. Okay, business companies I can help too, business and healthcare. All right. You can follow me across the social media platforms at the Oracle VA. Alright, so let's go straight to today's topic. So, as I said, remember 6 things that can affect your Facebook ads, that can make it difficult for Facebook to approve and make it difficult for your audience to see those ads. I'm going to talk about those 6 things. Okay, and I wrote them down. That's the beautiful thing. I wrote them down. So let us go. So, number 1 thing. If your ad is selling weapons, ammunition, and explosives, ain't gonna get approved. If your ad promotes unreliable or unsafe diet, supplements, all those interesting things that many of all those network marketing companies tell you to do, right? All those kind of things, many times it doesn't get approved. Why? Because Facebook is wondering, what are these guys talking about? Have we been able to prove these things? Are we sure these things really work? So because they can't answer those questions immediately, they suspend your ads, right? Then, if your ad promotes or features tobacco, drugs, drug-related products, even pharmaceuticals, even regular drugs at times, you can't even push it. All right. There was a time I was managing a pharmacy account. All right, a pharmacy social media account. So I was always doing a lot of search on drugs and different drugs and all of that. Instagram had to send me a message and say, are you okay? You're always searching for drugs. Are you fine? Do you need help? If you need help, this is where to go. I was surprised. I was like, these guys, I don't know what to call them, but you get what I mean, right? Now, if the ads also, how many did I talk about? Talk about 3, right? So we have 3 to go. So if your ads also feature sensational or excessively violent content, all right? All those violent videos that you guys put up, Facebook's gonna take them down. Alright, not to talk of running ads on them. If your ads promise counterfeit or fake documents, okay, all those guys that want to get international passports and want to get visas and start advertising all those strange things on Facebook, many times your ad won't get approved. Okay, now what else? Okay, yeah. So if you are an expert in software, let's say you are a software expert, right? And you're trying to sell something related to spyware, surveillance equipment, malware, those malware, those things that you send to people's phones and say, hey, I'll take it out if you pay me this amount. Those kind of things, right? That is on the dark web, those kind of things. So you can advertise on Facebook. all right? If your ad uses words that are unlikely, all right, or exaggerated before and after images, you know, like all those weight loss things. The one was like a balloon. The man was boom. Then all of a sudden the man is like a pencil, right? You know those kind of things. Facebook is a bit skeptical. How did that happen? Was it your drug? Was it your diet? You know, diet, drugs, all those kind of things. Facebook is a bit skeptical too. All those weight loss images, many times they don't get approved, right? Now, a little thing added to that, ads for health and weight loss products must be targeted to people over 18 years old. Okay? If your ad features adult content too, you don't get advertised. Adult content, unrealistic claims, get rich schemes, all those kind of things that many times you see when people try to push network marketing products. There are ways to push network marketing products. There are ways to do it that Facebook will approve, and it's fine. All right, but Facebook is trying to fight wrong things. All right, wrong promises that don't even make sense. There was a time I ran an ad on something that was actually very clear. All right, it actually made sense. All right, how people can get from this point to this point with a particular training and with several testimonies of people that had done it. Facebook didn't still approve that ad, right? But I got them finally to run the ad though, you know, but there are several things that you can do to do that. One of those things is ask that Facebook takes a second look, all right, at the advert. So if for any reason your advert is disapproved, okay, appeal the disapproval, all right? Appeal the disapproval. Let them take a second look, okay? Now, if they are taking a second look and you have violated these things, I'm only saying take a second look if you have not violated any of these things. But if they are taking a second look and you have violated these things, you'll be in deep trouble. So don't say take a second look when you have violated these things. Make sure it doesn't have any of these issues, okay? But some other things like, let's say your page, your post had, or your image rather, had too many letterings on it, too many write-ups on it, okay? Let's say you had an image, maybe somebody's face, then you wrote plenty things. Like some people, they'll just go and take a paragraph or a verse from the Bible and write chapter 1 to 20 on the image, all right? That will not get approved too, because even if it gets approved, it will not even reach your audience. So many times Facebook will not even approve it. So, but if they approve it, it will not reach your audience. Do you get what I'm trying to say? All right. So before you say that you want to appeal a disapproval, make sure it doesn't have all these issues. And if it has any issues, or you are trying to find out what the issue is and you cannot find out what it is, or you cannot know what it is, these are the things that you can do. One, check out the headline you used. What did you say? Was it sensational? Was it something crazy? All right. Check out the image that you used. All right. Does it have too many letterings, as I've said? All right. Check out the call to action and all those other things that you added at the bottom. All right. What were they saying, or where are they linking to? All right. Are you making promises that can be kept? Are you saying things that do not sound real? All right. Those are things that you can check. So for me, I check the ad totally, every area. All right. The objectives, the images, the write-up, the call to action. I check every single area just to make sure I have not gone wrong somewhere. All right. Did you make a video where you were cursing? All right. Did you make a video where you used wrong language, foul language? All right. If you did that, they'll take it out. Did you use a background music or a background song that belonged to somebody else? All right. Those kind of things won't go, because you would need that person's approval before it goes. Do you understand? So all these little things are things you should check. So if you have all of that, if you checked all of that and everything checks out, yet they still disapproved your advert, appeal. Right? Ask them to take a second look. And many times they will. Because usually the first time when your ad goes, it's the AI, all right, the artificial intelligence that just checks. Just looks for random words, looks for all those key things that are not supposed you're not supposed to use. All right, it looks for all those words. If they are available there, it knocks it out. right? If maybe you are using an image that belongs to Facebook, let's say Facebook's Facebook's name, or Facebook like sign, all those images belong to Facebook. Facebook can deny you the use of those things. So if it's available on your ad, they might not approve it. So you might just need to take out those little things. Do you understand? So every time you have an issue, remember that you can appeal that decision and that you can have your ad running. If you tried all of this and it still doesn't work, send me a message. Hit me up on 2340817718267, or send me a message on any social media network: Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube. I am at the Oracle VA. TheOracleVA, and I will respond to you. We should be able to fix whatever problems. All right. So thank you for watching. I will be shooting my next video soon. Okay. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, share, ask questions. I will respond. All right. I am trying to democratize knowledge. Right. We gotta fix this Facebook, social media, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter. We have to fix all those things. Right. Got problems? Let me know. See you guys. Thank you.